Yon, kamusta mga sir? So ngayon, isang first person psychological horror game and walking simulator yung lalaroin natin ngayon. Welcome sa Silent Still. So itong game na to ay focus sa mga taong nakakaranas ng sleep paralysis at mga nightmares, no? At yun, tingnan natin kung paano iikot yung kwento. Madali lang siguro to kasi tutulog lang naman tayo. So tara, laruin na natin na Silent Still. Let's go. Aksan natin kasi hindi ako nagugulat eh. Ang lakas. It has been a very tiring day at work. Tayo na ba yan? Flashlight wala? Wait. Sensitivity. Mabilis na yan. Sige. Okay na yan. Meron dito. Ito ba? So kakauwi ko lang. Wait. Ilaw. Yun. Okay. Ang ganda ng bahay ko. Ikutin muna natin yung bahay natin. Put your bag on the couch. Alright, I need to pee badly. Shit, may badly. Wala lang. Ay, ayoko ng animation ng pinto. Dito ba ako iihi? Parang bathtub to ah. Bathtub nga yun. Ito pala. Go, wait. Okay, ba't ganyan yung reflection nakasara? It's better to always turn off the bathroom lights. This month's bill is ridiculous. Oo nga. Sige. Turn off yan. Anong plano? Kakain tayo? May kumain na eh. Nanonood tayong TV? Oh, dumaan sa sa lamesa. Punta na tayong kwarto. Hindi ko mabuksan. Ano yun? Ay. Wala kasing cursor. Bubuksan ko muna lahat ng ilaw. Bahala nang magkaroon ng maraming mataas na kuryente. Change clothes. Should turn off the lights in this room. Okay. In this room. Sapat ito. Hindi ko siya ma-turn off. So ito. Ito on lang. Let's sleep. Yun lang mga sir. Napaka-easing laro. Tutulog lang. Yun. Tuhod. Tuhod. Tuhod ba yan? Tuhod. Tuhod. God, I'm so tired. Okay. Let's close our eyes. Sleeping. Chapter 1. The first experience. Oh wait, I can't move or speak. What's happening? Hello? There's no voice coming out of my mouth. What should I do? Am I really awake? Ay, hindi po ako makagalaw. Huwag na kayong kumatok. Shit, baka Shopee ko yun ah. Hello? Who's there? Shit, galaw. Hey, ano yun? Ay, bumukas. Di ba nakasara tong pinto? Uy! Who's that in the kitchen? Ewan ko nga eh. Sino yan? Oh. Ano yun? Uy. Oh. Ayun na siya. Holy fuck. Who are you? Sino ka? Answer me. What the? Namatay ilaw. Shit. Naku, ginagalaw niya na yung yung ref ko. Ay! Uy. Ano yung music? E, try to move. Magaling ako mag-E. Mabilis ako magpindot. Ayaw! Ayaw! Yun. It's not working. I still can't move. It's not working. Ginalingan ko pa naman. Psst. Sino yun? May naninitsit eh. Susuntukin kita eh. Kanina ka pa eh. Dito na lang ako titingin. Dito lang maliwanag. Ay, wala na. Wala na ako titignan. Ay, salamat. May ilaw. What was that? What was that? I know it's just a dream, but it feels so real. Three days later. 3 days later? Okay. So nakatulog pa ako ah. So that was it. Sleep paralysis, huh? God, that really terrifies me. Oh. Nagbasa siya tungkol doon. Sino ka man, Andrew? Tigilan mo na yung pagiging toxic. I'm hungry. I should eat before going to sleep. Yan ang maganda. So, wala naman siya sa totoong buhay, no? Kasi sleep paralysis na. Nasa ano lang siya. Sa panaginip. Oh. Ano nangyari? Ah, kakain siya. Akala ko naman namatay ilaw. Oh, let's eat. Ano yan? I should consider buying a microwave. This food is as cold as ice. Oo. Sayang naman yung income mo. Ang hirap pala kumain. Ubusin mo na. Masisira yung keyboard ko. Tingin-tingin ako kasi mamaya may kailangan tingnan. Yay, itlog lang tsaka tinapay, ang hirap-hirap. God, I'm so full. I already feel sleepy. Ihi muna, ihi. Hindi na? Tara. Patay natin ilaw. Ay, hindi ba? Ano yun? Kala kong ano. Papatayin ko nga, hindi ka ma-interact eh. Ayun, pwede na. to. Gusto ko bukas lang to. Okay. Alam ko na yung gagawin sa sleep paralysis kasi binasa ko yung libro. Basic natin. Kailangan lang igalaw yung hindi liit sa paa. That experience still terrifies me and I don't want to go through it again. So 3 days, 3 days kang hindi natulog, ganun? To sleep? Okay. Out of body experience. Gawin mo yung binasa mo. Not again. Am I experiencing that thing again? This is terrifying as hell. I need to wake up. Wake up! Wake up! Ayoko na tumingin sa taas. Kabahan ako. Nagawa ko ba? It's not working again. Still I can't move. No. So yung namumove ko ay eyeballs lang. Sino yun? Sa kisame na naman siya. May nag-uusap sa labas. Nag-uusap ba yun? Parang umiiyak. Oh, matay na naman ilaw. Ito lang ilaw natin. This is goddamn terrifying. Ano ba yun? May bata naman. Kaya yun. May bata. Pag horror, laging bata. Ano? Bata, matanda, kaputi, haba buhok. Uy, may muka. Oh my, standing right in front of me. Walang pipikit challenge. Ay, talo. Wala na akong makita. Shit. Ayun, babae, babae, babae. I want to wake up already. I'm so terrified right now. Please stop. Hindi sila madadaan sa ganyan. Kailangan mo igalaw yung hintuturo. Hinliliit. Makulit to. Uy. Huwag ka lalapit. Uy. Saan pumunta yun? Move. Bira, magpapahinga ka lamang. Binasa ko naman yung libro. Nag-work pa? What's happening? My body feels so light and floating. Naku. Ito na ba ang tinatawag nilang out of the body experience? What? Wait. How am I? Is that me sleeping? Shit. Nag-ano siya? Astral projection. Ayoko dyan. Pupuntahan ko yan. Ikot muna ako sa kwarto pala. Nakakabahan ako. Ay. Grabe naman yung magpatay ng ilaw. Hindi ko nga mabuksan eh. Okay, puntahan natin yung CR. Ay! Go back to bed. Ang laki niya. Yan ba yung gumagapang kanina? Ay, ito. Saan yung bed space? Wake up. Bilisan ko. Wait, samahan ko na ng click. Shit, alapit niya na. What the hell? That was so terrifying. Oh my god. Finally, I finished my work. Wait, it's It's night time already. I lost track of time. Should I sleep now? No, wait. I forgot. I need to submit this report to the shed. I should go now so I can get home early. Parang lag ako magbasa. Pero okay lang yan. Pick up your bag and your report before going to work. Okay. Paano? Hindi ko makita. F? Oh. Walang display. Nag-bug ba yung game? Nulaan ko na lang yung dadaanan ko. Uy, tama. Tinandaan ko yung lugar eh. Di ba yung bag nasa couch? Buti na lang. The office is so quiet at this hour. The night shift already really helps me unwind from the stressful work. Okay. E to use PC, shift to exit. Okay. Ang ganda ng office. CR, meeting room. Try natin muna tong meeting room. Bubuksan ba to? Okay. Binuksan ko lang. Doon parang may computer dito sa kabilang room. Tingnan ko muna tong katabing room. May computer din. Ibig sabihin, pwede doon. Kaya dito. Tingnan natin dito. So, saan ang aking pwesto? Ito ba? Wow, ko-computer ako. So, okay. Mail. Photo gallery. Notepad. Mag-YouTube ba ako? Left Behind. Ba, may mga promotion pa ng ano no, ng ibang game. Left Behind. Stranded. Oh, mga Pinoy horror games. Okay. Very smart. Oh, diary. Dear diary, this is the first time I experienced something so terrifying and I'm still shaken by it. I don't know what it's called, but whatever it was, I never want to go through it again. The memory of that creepy woman screaming in my face is burned into my mind and still sends chills down my spine. Every time I think about it, her face pale, twisted, and filled with rage haunts me every night. I can't seem to escape it, no matter how hard I try. Every time I close my eyes, I see her, and the fear grips me all over again. I just hope that whatever what was, it never happens to me again. I don't think I can handle another night like that. Okay. Diary 2 for the second time. I've encountered the terrifying sleeping demon, and now I finally know that it's called. It's sleep paralysis, a condition where your mind is caught between being awake and asleep. I still don't fully understand how to explain it, but everything I saw that evening felt so real, as if it were truly happening to me. The fear was palpable, and it left me paralyzed, unable to escape the horror unfolding before my eyes. It's hard to shake the feeling that it was all real, that those demons were actually there, lurking in the shadows of my mind. I know I need to find a way to stop this from happening, but I don't know where to start. Oh Lord, I'm so desperate for it to end. I am terrified to even close my eyes now, fearing that the moment I do, I'll be dragged back into that nightmarish world. I just want to sleep peacefully again, without the dread of what awaits me in the dark. Diary, Diary 3. Dear Diary, the past 2 weeks was nothing but a nightmare. Every time I close my eyes, I'm met with paralyzing fear that the demons in my sleep paralysis will return. It's as if they're waiting for the darkness to engulf me, their twisted forms lurking just beyond the veil of sleep. I've tried to avoid it, staying up as late as possible, but the exhaustion is catching up with me. My body feels drained, like I'm running on fumes, and yet the fear of what awaits me in the dark keeps me from getting the rest I desperately need. Ano ba yung lawig? Mahal. I'm terrified of the night right now. The moment sun sets, a knot of anxiety twists in my stomach, knowing that the sleep will bring those horrible visions. It is affecting my health in ways I didn't anticipate. I'm constantly fatigued. My head aches. There's the deep sense of dread that follows me throughout the day. I don't know how much longer I can go on like this, living in fear of something that only exists in the shadows of my mind, yet feels so painfully real. You can use the built-in assistant by talking to the mic. Hey Corey. Oh, meron siyang ano. Hey Siri. Hey Alexa. Ay no. Wala akong no. Hindi ko nga lang gagawin ko dito. Ano kung magsasend ako ng report eh. Ano to? Oh, grabe. Unknown profile. I am Nigerian prince. Oh. Scammer. Dynamic chat. Okay. Storyteller. Once you receive this email, please review the website. Are the perp the sal yun. nextgensolutions.com. Okay nga. Wala naman tayong internet, boss. Bira. Ba, parang hindi siya laro, parang totoo talaga. You found this note. I would like to say that you're now promoted. That means you'll be doing the work of 3 people while your salary is just kidding. I've heard from your coworkers that you're planning to resign. You've made significant contribution to this company. and I don't want to see you go. So let's make a deal. I promote you and increase your salary. Just don't leave, okay? We're all rooting for you. Anyway, make sure you drop the report on the meeting room table. After that, you can go home. You know, we're all family here at this company. Meeting room, okay. Meeting room. Shift. Dun yun, di ba? Okay. I'm still deciding whether to resign or not. This job is so stressful, especially with toxic shit. Oo nga eh. Lahat naman ng work may ganun, may mga toxic. Okay. Corners. Alright, that's it for tonight. Time to head home and sleep. Sleep ka pa. Ano yun? Parang may nasunod sa akin. What the hell of a commute. So traffic. I'm so stinks due to sweats. Lagay ko ba uli yung bag ko dito? I should get some clothes and hover to shower before sleep. Okay, para na maligo. Ang ano kasi ng ambience ng bahay mo, kaya ka ginaganyan eh. Ang bigat-bigat. Ayaw pa mabuksan. Oop. Take a bath. This feels so good, so warm and relaxing. Di ka pa nagsara ng pinto. Iba talaga yung reflection ng salamin eh, oh. I've never felt this relaxed before. Ah, natulog pa. Kenneth. Kenneth, tumayo ka na dyan. Who are you? Chapter 3. Ay, natulog sa bathtub. Hindi ka na magigising. What's happening? Wait. Not again. Oh, not again. Nasa tubig ka pa naman. I don't like this. I really don't like this. Ay, sino yun? Yan, nag-adjust pa yung multo galing sa kwarto. Doon kasi yung tulugan. Punta pa si Artuloy. Stop. Stop, please. Oh. Oh. Pwede na ba akong voice actor? Grabe, nakakatakot. Nahuhubuan ako pag tumitingala. Oh. Ay, ito na naman. Titingala. Naman tayo ibang titignan. Dito na lang. Pero gusto kong ikot-ikot yung aking... So eyeballs lang ulit yung gumagalaw sa akin. Kasi sleep paralysis. Uy! Ano si Junjun? Ano yan? Ay, nandiyan na naman siya. There she is again. Please stop. Leave me alone. Oh no. What the heck? Oh my god. Wake up, wake up. Dapat mas madali ka mag-wake up kasi may tubig. Kaya lang sobrang relax sila. Ayaw umabot. Ayaw umabot. Yun. Not working. I can't wake up. It's so hard to breathe. Paano? Nakalubog ka sa tubig, sigurado. Stop. Don't come near me, please. Malapit. Shit. Sino yun? Stop. What are you doing? I can't breathe. Tapos na ba yan? Thank you for playing. Hope you enjoyed this experience. Yun. Ayos. So para sa akin, tong game na to, maganda. Maganda yung mga jump scares niya. Yung graphics, atmospheric. Kaya lang sobrang maiksi siya. Kasi full game na siya. Kung demo siya, okay pa, maintindihan ko. Pero overall, short and spooky horror game that delves with sleep paralysis and nightmares. So yun, maganda tong game na to. Lalo na sa katulad kong na-experience na yung sleep paralysis. So yun, maganda to panoorin pag naka-earphone. So yun, salamat sa panonood. Salamat. Bye-bye. Tinapos natin na Silent Still. Let's go.